Hi everyone, welcome back to Dave's Garden and Vine. This week's episode, I'm going to be thinning out some carrots.
And also, if you hold on at the end of the video, I'm also thinning out rhubarb, so it's a bit of a thinning out video.
So here's the carrots that I've had in the mini greenhouses, and we're going to thin them out and put them into this new tray that I've got. And these are nice deep trays. They individually pull out as well. And actually split right out, so you can easily get the plants out once they've developed. So let's get it full of some coir mix. This is what I've been using lately. Coir mix with a feed in it, and also roughly about 10% perlite. It'd be good to hear what everyone else uses, so if you can drop it in the comments, that'd be appreciated. I used to just use compost mix, but find it's way too dry, and it's no good for sort of, even the seed mix I used to purchase used to be not that good, so it'd be good to hear what other people use. Got any recommendations? Or if you're interested in what I use, if you ask in the comments, I can share. Right. So there's the carrots. You just got to prise them out.
Thinning isn't optional. It decides root health, growth speed, and final harvest. These look healthy, but if you don't thin them out, they'll fail later. Carrots, rhubarb, it's the same rule. Too many plants in one space always cost you your harvest.
Nice long root on it.
Roots don't compete nicely. One wins, the rest lose. And it's not about pulling the weakest. What I'm doing is keeping the best positioned. And personally, if you skip thinning, you don't get lots of small carrots, you get failed carrots. So rather than sit through the whole thing, I've sped it up a bit. So don't be afraid of when you're thinning things out, think you're going to damage them. Honestly, that's a lot tougher than you think, but obviously be careful. And yeah, I've just about done the full tray there.
So that's the full tray filled with carrots. This is a lot more, let's say, faff than I usually garden with, but I've never had that much success with carrots. So I bought these trays. They also come with a nice lid with a vent on there. So I'll give them a quick water.
And this is the same reason I've been moving plants, repotting garlic, and using mini greenhouses. Roots decide everything. And in the next video, I'll show you these carrots and how they perform once space and protection work together.
I won't need that much, just a light spray. The coir compost itself was quite damp anyway, so I'm going to thin out some of this rhubarb because I get too much. It takes over this part of the garden when there's too much of it. You can see there, big root, and I'll just compost that. See it there? Just split it and get it composted. There's just too much of it. It spreads, and if you don't keep thinning it down, you end up having way too much rhubarb, which isn't a bad thing, but because it's nice. But if you've only got a certain amount of space. See the size of it, it's huge. Get that in the compost. And I have to usually do this about every 2 to 3 years, something like that. And it looks like you're absolutely destroying the rhubarb. Size that one. Huge. I can chop that all up with a spade and then put it in the compost. Just give the roots a good chop up. Straight into the compost.
So if you can like and subscribe, that would be amazing. Costs nothing, but really helps us out. So I'll catch you in the next one.